Hey guys, this is WSU Cougar X. This is a follow-up video to the previous unboxing I did a couple weeks ago. Actually, maybe it was more like 3 or 4 weeks ago. This box kind of took its sweet time to get here. The shipper, or the guy I bought it from, kind of took his time in shipping this out, so that's why this video is a little bit late. But it's related to the previous box that I opened up, so let's do this little unboxing here. And again, I have my trusty assistant here, so I'm not one-armed bandit trying to do this. It's actually a nice box, nice and dense. Alright, eBay guess what those are. Let's take a look and see what the label says. Curtain Vehicular, 1982 contract date. There it is again. There's the stamping. This is the end curtains for the Gama Goat cover. Pretty cool. That's pretty nice quality too. Yeah, so I got this off of eBay. 20 bucks. 20 bucks each. Versus the other sellers who are trying to sell the exact same thing for 100 bucks a piece. So the seller is T&J Murray. Ended up buying 2 of them. I only needed 1, but I wanted to match. Wanted the end curtains to match each other. So, all right, pretty happy with this. No funky odors, no funky smells like it's old. I did inquire as to whether or not he had the main cargo covers, and to no avail, he did not. Currently, he's got a few hundred of these, a few hundred cap covers and a few hundred end curtains. So, if you guys need something like this, just look them up on eBay. And again, he has these for 20 bucks a piece. Ended up paying just 30 bucks shipped for the shipping all the way across the country, so it wasn't too bad at all. I'll tell you what though, I'm really digging this box. Alright, WSU Cougar X out.